Here it is, guys.
Or, you know, no, not really an hour ago, about half an hour ago probably.
Yeah.
But I couldn't figure out how to get the
Straps on?
yeah.
Yeah, it took me a minute when I had to rent one of these before.
I lost the corner light on the way here.
Oh, it bounced out?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's not a big deal. I got that B13 at the yard.
Oh, yeah, that you could just take stuff from.
But I got to replace this because this is all smashed, so it doesn't sit right.
Yeah.
This was all the body damage to this car, with the exception of this, was all there before I got the car. And this was a freaking Chewy's parking lot.
Whacked it.
Yeah. And then I put this dent in it, punching it. I was pissed.
Bro, it's been a minute since I've seen this thing. Holy crap.
It's got the front mount intercooler on it.
It's freaking sick. Hell yeah. Play some wheel studs, man?
Yeah, I'm missing a couple of lugs.
Oh, that's what you're missing, lugs.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've got a set of 4-lug universals that work.
Yeah.
They're 17s that I'm going to put on this.
Hell yeah. Freaking sick.
Closed with a ratchet strap.
I know.
I have a new hood at work.
Right?
A hood pin kit.
And you need the core support.
No, I've got the core support.
You
It's in
do
my
have
house.
it,
I just
okay.
never put it back on. Because I got to cut it, and I didn't really feel like doing
Yeah. Be a pain.
that. Yeah, check it out.
Hell yeah, let's see it. Woo!
A little
How long
dirty,
has it
little
been
dusty.
sitting?
Huh?
How long has it been sitting?
A few months. I live on a dirt road, too.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's kind of partial dirt and asphalt, so it's not a city maintained road.
Shoot, man. Yeah, before the intercooler was right here.
Yeah, it was sitting up top. I took off
That's
all
right.
the brackets. The
Good
only
old
other thing
GTIR.
the only thing I need to do again, I need to pull this pipe. This is my fucking throttle cable.
Oh, it's wrapped around it.
Yeah. But she starts right up and friggin' she drives, but I'm pretty sure it definitely is my brake lines.
Yeah?
Because when I was pulling up to the trailer and hitting the brakes,
Yeah.
the brakes are non-existent, pretty much. You know, you got to put it to the floor to get or get the e-brake. But there was a trail, a turning trail.
A fluid?
Up to, yeah, from this side. So, because when I undid,
Okay.
we took the tire off, we unbolted the shock from the assembly,
Yeah,
and
and
pulled the assembly out of the way, or unbolted something from back there, and then pulled it out of the
it'll
way.
happen. It'll break
to
those
get the
busted
shock out.
lines.
29-year-old brake lines.
Yeah, exactly. It's going to bust.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, sick, man. I'm super
I
stoked.
chopped up the bumper with a sawzall in my driveway.
Works.
You know, but I think that if you look right here, right?
Yeah.
You look right here, you can see there wasn't a regular hole there. So I kind of want to open it up a little bit more.
Oh, yeah. Opening that up would be better.
If you look at the front mount intercooler, if you look at the piping, you can see this one's kind of skewed.
Yeah.
So I even think I might even have a fucking boost leak. You
There's
know?
a chance of
So,
it.
Just from this side.
Damn. All right. Well, I'm super game. I'll figure out.
This car is so loud, Ray.
Is it? That's right. So are these guys.
Yeah?
Whenever well, the Integra I just pulled in the other day. The Galant, for a while, I had an open down pipe on it, but the exhaust is back on it. So.
Oh, they sound so gnarly when they have an open down pipe.
Dude, I love
I
it.
remember when I first got this swapped on, I didn't have the exhaust on it yet.
Right.
I took the exhaust out completely to get the motor.
Yeah. I remember.
So, dude, I drove it, and this is when it was friggin' the guy that did my swap had the MAF injected, the MAF pigtail messed up. And this guy's fix was to get a little tiny piece of the wire exposed and then shove it in the hole.
Oof.
That was his fix, so it was dumping all kinds of fuel into the block. And this is before the rebuild.
Right.
But dude, it sounded so guttural. It sounded so nasty with that turbo, the way the turbo spools on this thing, because it's the Gtir T28.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
The turbo that made Nissan, you know, friggin' superchargers obsolete for Nissan.
Right.
So
this was the beast. This was the motor to be.
Dude, it is. I'm gonna get a temp tag for it. It doesn't have any tags right now.
Okay.
So if you do drive it, just be careful.
Yeah, if anything, it'll be around this loop.
You know.
If anything.
Friggin'. But you're not gonna wanna really drive it until I get the brake lines.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because
yeah.
I mean, you can use the e-brake to stop it. That's what I did to get on the trailer.
So I'm trying to think, because I'm debating on which one I'm going to work on first, but we need to get the brake lines for this.
Yes.
So in the meantime, this week I could knock out the transmission on this car, on my Integra.
You got 3 cars sitting there.
Yeah, bro, the Sentra's back there.
Oh, I thought you sold that.
No, the Beast is still, go ahead. Sentra's still back there.
I got a cigarette.
Yeah, Sentra's still back there, man. This one's sitting, waiting for Jerry to get that motor done. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, waiting for him to put the motor together. He's had it for a while, but
Taylor, right? Yeah. Okay.
So when we get that motor back together, but I'm kind of in no big hurry. Right. So he's had it for a while, so I'm just waiting.
This thing has been sitting so long. I'm not stressed. I'm fine.
Okay, perfect.
The Forester runs and drives. It's not an issue.
Right.
And if something ultimately bad happens, I can freaking grab a vehicle, running vehicle from work,
to
loan it to.
Use it, yeah.
A car if I need it.
Sick.
Just to get back and forth to work. So yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, man. I'm stoked.
You're stoked. I'm stoked to have someone that knows.
Yeah.
Working on.
Yeah, I'm super excited to check this thing out.
I don't have a problem wrenching. Okay?
Right.
No problem at all.
Right.
But when you've got somebody that really isn't into the, oh hey, you got to make sure that they're, torqued down to this spec, or there's somebody that's just basically hanging out and just helping move.
Right.
When I pulled the transmission, when I did the clutch on this, I did the clutch basically. I did the whole stuff.
Right.
Except taking the transmission out and getting it back in.
Yeah.
And getting it back out, I was on the bottom, and my arms are long, so it's hard for me
to crank it up.
To crank it out, I got to have room to be able to stretch and flex.
Yeah.
So my buddy was like, I was like, look, let's swap.
You pull up.
There's a little fucking grip on the thing you can hold on to, and I was like, you push and I'll hold. So there I was, dude. I was up in over the engine because he has a regular lift.
Right.
We had it at the right height.
Right.
Got it all back in, and I freaking tightened. I'm the one that tightened it all up. So if there's shit that's loose,
right? Because that's what I'm doing, right? The clutch.
Here, hang on.
Yeah, let's see it.
It's all right here.
Paul's GTIR.
BTIR. This is my BTIR. That's what I call it. It's
I like
GTIR.
it. I was thinking where you were going with that.
Oh shit! Clutch is falling out.
Probably have to wait till we back it out. Good old Act
stage 3 clutch.
Hell yeah.
The competition clutch 8.5 pound flywheel is sitting right here.
Light flywheel, okay.
And both front axles.
Both front axles.
I was gonna ask, since you're pulling.
That's
transmission out.
Yeah, exactly. That's part of the job, swapping out the axles. I know shops will freaking charge to do it when it's part of the transmission.
Right. But yeah, it's dumb. So, dude, this thing has been sitting in the back seat since I bought it. Since I actually did the transmission. And the box for the other clutch is still back here.
Damn.
I've got a tow.
And you said that this clutch right now is slipping, right?
No, this one.
You just wanted to swap it out just because?
The clutch that I had installed that Zach installed when he rebuilt my bottom end.
Oh, okay. So it's just an old clutch.
And that was the clutch for Gabriel Lujan's.
That's right.
NX 2000.
That's right. I remember you saying that.
And then I bought it, and it was a stage 2, but I don't.
Paul's B13 with a GTIR swap. Sounds good.